What's up, guys? I am Sean, and today I'm going to share 7 ways to get free Amazon gift cards along with a variety of online platforms, services, even apps you specifically can use in order to earn those free gift cards.
Keep going.
I won't spend a ton of time on each one, but I'll be sure to add all the links to these opportunities in the descriptions below so you have easy access to them. Anyway, I'll stop rambling and get right into it.
Let's go!
First on our list of best ways to get Amazon gift cards is to complete surveys online. Sometimes super quick, not always, but it is always easy answering a few questions online, and before you know it, you could have your hands on some sweet Amazon gift cards. There are a ton of services out there, but I'll keep it simple and narrow it down to our 3 favorite options. Branded Surveys has over 3 million users, and by simply giving your honest feedback, you can easily earn points towards those gift cards. It's quite simple to sign up. Just answer a few questions about yourself that will help them match surveys with you, take the surveys, and then you get paid in points, which you can then redeem for those Amazon gift cards. With Survey Junkie, you are able to help shape products and services that are meaningful to you. Build your profile and take surveys, earn the rewards, and obviously get paid. There are 2 ways to participate, which you can choose one or both of those options. First, you can earn towards Amazon gift cards by sharing your perspective. In other words, means take surveys or participate in focus groups, or you can engage in behavioral market research where you opt to share digital browsing activity, which is then collected in a privacy compliant way. And finally, with Inbox Dollars, you can earn gift cards by taking paid online surveys, by playing games, get cash back for shopping, get paid to read emails, or from grocery cash rewards. The second way to earn Amazon gift cards is to simply get them directly from Amazon. Amazon offers a variety of coupons every month that award Amazon gift cards in exchange for the use of the coupon. These offers are no-brainers if you're going to buy the products tied to the coupon at Amazon. Simply do a search for Amazon coupons before you buy your product on Amazon and click on the eligible offers you're interested in. You'll be awarded Amazon gift cards just for buying something you planned on buying anyway. Amazon allows customers to trade in eligible used items in very good condition for Amazon gift cards. Books, electronics, Amazon devices, and video games are just some of the items that qualify for their trade-in program. Just create an Amazon trade-in account and ship your item at no cost to you with the pre-printed Amazon shipping label that they actually are going to provide. After your item arrives at the Amazon processing facility, you'll be notified by email if your item has been accepted or rejected. If it's rejected, it's shipped back to you, again, on Amazon's expense, but if it's accepted, you are credited with Amazon gift card. Amazon Mechanical Turk allows you to complete various human intelligence tasks, HITs, listed by requesters. Tasks can be as simple as, say, identifying pictures of hot dogs versus pictures of not hot dogs, or they can require users to fill out surveys or even questionnaires. The amounts paid for the completion of the hits are set by the requester, and users can select which hits they will complete and which ones they're not going to. The final way to earn Amazon gift cards directly from Amazon is through the Amazon Rewards Visa card. This is a credit card issued by Chase in partnership with Amazon. The card allows you to earn rewards on your purchases, including 3% cash back on Amazon purchases and Whole Foods Market purchases for eligible Prime members, 2% cash back at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores, and 1% cash back on all of their purchases. Some of the main benefits of this card includes there's no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, various travel and purchase protection benefits, just to round out those few. Amazon is currently running a promotion where new customers will get a free $50 Amazon gift card instantly upon approval for the Amazon Rewards Visa card and $100 for the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card. The third way to earn Amazon gift cards is by shopping online. We all shop online, or at least it feels like we do, so why not earn gift cards for doing it? Honey is an online shopping browser extension and mobile app that works with over 30,000 major retailers, including Amazon, Walmart, and Macy's, The platform's main feature is that it automatically searches and applies coupon codes at checkouts, helping you save money. Beyond the main feature, Honey also provides value to its users in a number of different ways. Those ways include Honey Price History. At participating retailers, Honey will show you the price history of an item. There's also Honey Price Drop Alerts. When you shop with a participating retailer, Honey provides a button next to an item that, when pressed, will alert you if the price of the item will drop. There's Honey Deal Search. Whenever you add an item to an online shopping cart with the browser extension, Honey will scour the internet for better deals or coupons that can lower the price or show you a better deal on what you're buying. And in addition to all of these features mentioned that we just talked about, using Honey gives you points in the form of Honey Gold, and Honey Gold can be exchanged for a variety of rewards points, which can be exchanged for Amazon gift cards. Rakuten is yet another cashback shopping app that allows you to stack your credit card rewards points. Rakuten allows you to link your credit cards to the app so it can automatically detect in-store purchases of qualifying items when you shop at participating brick-and-mortar locations. When you're shopping online, you can also use a browser extension to automatically detect online purchases that qualify for cash back. When they're ready to send you your quarterly rebate total, you have the option of accepting the rebate in the form of Amazon gift cards. Shopkick is a cashback shopping app that rewards people with a currency called Kicks for a number of different behaviors. The app partners with multiple top retailers in the United States, including Target, Walmart, and Best Buy. Then there's scanning an in-store item. You don't need to buy the item, just scan it with your phone and you'll get credit. They have scanning a receipt. If the receipt contains qualifying items, you'll get Kicks. Linking a loyalty card to the app will award you Kicks even if you don't use the card. Using a linked loyalty card, this will get you more Kicks than just linking the card. Visiting online shops, just visit an online shop and get some Kicks. There's no need to buy anything. Two more, watching videos in the app. The app provides videos to watch in exchange for Kicks if you'd like to earn your points more passively. And finally, referring a friend. This will get you a lot of Kicks. Kicks can be exchanged for Amazon gift cards. Next, you can play games for Amazon gift cards. App Nana exchanges points redeemable for Amazon or iTunes gift cards when you download and install various apps on your phone or tablet. Once the app is downloaded and used for a certain amount of time, AppNana awards the user with points. It's really that simple. AppNana also offers other ways to earn points, such as completing surveys, watching videos, or referring friends to the app. One downside of this app is that it's only available for Android devices. Then there's Misplay, which is primarily a get paid to play app. You play games in exchange for points, which can be traded for Amazon gift cards or gift cards from other retailers and brands like Visa and Google Play. Misplay also offers bonus points to its users for completing certain tasks within the app, such as maybe referring friends to the app or achieving certain in-game milestones. Users can also participate in occasional contests and events for the chance to win additional rewards. Misplay is also only available to Android users. Overall, if you like playing games online and would like to earn free gift cards while doing it, Misplay is definitely worth the try. It is a fun way to spend your free time. Our fifth way to earn Amazon gift cards online is by watching videos. With SlideJoy, you can earn gift cards by downloading their free mobile app and reviewing ads displayed on your phone. SlideJoy receives commissions from the advertisers and gives a portion of that to you, the user. The best way to use this app is to go about your day like you normally would, but when you unlock your phone, you have the opportunity to get paid. It is only, once again, for Android users. With InstaGC, earn points for things you already do online, including watching videos, completing surveys, shopping online, and searching the web. Redeem your points for gift cards, as there have been almost 1.5 million gift cards issued. Sixth on our list is to scan receipts and earn Amazon gift cards. Ibotta is a browser extension and mobile app that offers multiple ways to earn cash back on purchases you've already planned to make or might make anyway. Similar to Honey, Ibotta also partners with hundreds of retailers, including department stores, grocery stores, and clothing stores. Here are some of the main ways to earn cash back. They have different offers that allow you to complete small tasks. You can submit a receipt, as we've mentioned. You can link a loyalty card, and you can simply just shop online. Once you've accumulated enough points, Ibotta users can transfer their earnings into gift cards, including Amazon gift cards, and it only takes about 24 hours to receive your gift cards. Then there's Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is similar to the Ibotta app in that users can snap grocery receipts and earn rewards in the process. The way it works is simple. Users can scan their grocery receipts within the app after making a purchase. Then the app will automatically scan the receipt for eligible items and award points to the user based on their purchases. Users can redeem these points for rewards such as gift cards from popular retailers like Amazon, Target, and Starbucks. Something you want to keep in mind is that physical receipts must be snapped within 14 days of the checkout date listed on them. Otherwise, you will not be able to redeem your points for Amazon gift cards or any other gift card for that matter. Also, points expire after 90 days, so you need to stay on top of this so you don't miss out on potential gift cards. Then there's Receipt Pal. Receipt Pal is our last Get Paid for Receipts app. Once again, just like the others, take pictures of your receipts and earn gift cards or even cash prizes. It's simple, just remember to not throw away your receipts. My Points, recently purchased by ProEdge, Swapbucks' parent company, offers a variety of ways to earn points, including just by reading emails. These points can be exchanged for Amazon gift cards or other forms of payment, including cash through PayPal. Some other activities to earn points include taking surveys, also include watching videos, playing games, online shopping, searching, couponing, receiving emails, referring friends, using the browser extension, and their daily deals. Inbox Dollars provides a variety of ways to earn points, and you can exchange those points for Amazon gift cards. You'll need to earn $30 worth of Inbox Dollars to get access to rewards points, so be prepared to sink a fair amount of time into this site. It will take a little while for most people to earn $30 worth of Inbox Dollars. The sign-up bonus of $5, that's the real dollars, not Inbox Dollars, will help you reach that $30 much quicker. Apart from the sign-up bonus and completing surveys, you can earn Inbox Dollars in multiple ways, including receiving emails, free offers, paid offers, among many others. Swagbucks offers Amazon gift cards in exchange for reading emails online, but that's not all they offer. The site is fully featured with a lot of opportunities to earn what they surprisingly call swag bucks. These swag bucks are what you trade in for your rewards, including Amazon gift cards. There are multiple opportunities to earn swag bucks, including shopping. They have a trade-in program. They have special offers, watching videos. You can complete polls, and you can also finally do referrals for those extra points. The ability to earn Amazon gift cards is quite prevalent across the internet. There's really no excuse for you to not give it a try, especially if you are in need of a few extra bucks or don't want to pay full price for something. I hope this list of ideas to earn Amazon gift cards was helpful to you and can really be a resource instead of having to scour the internet. If we did provide value to you and helped you, please do us a favor by giving this video a like. It's free and it's super helpful for our channel. That's all I have for you today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on any more Money Made Simple videos that we create, and I'll see you in the next one.